Alhamdulillah, praise be to God, no matter your condition. Forget all your loss, something must go before something come. It is work, no be luck. Sin is believing, you have to trust yourself. Can't wait for the result. Never feel remorse.